Hello everyone, Abby here from Salesforce Shorts. So I will be doing LWC, so Lightning Web Components. This will be the first video on LWC, where we're just going to create a very basic LWC component and bring it into our app page. So here we have our custom app page, and I'll be just heading into VS Code where we're going to start to create this. So if you have not done the setup yet, I will include a trailhead link. We can just follow a very quick and easy setup to get your project set up. So what I'm going to do to start this, I'm going to click Shift Command P because I'm on Mac. And then we already have create Lightning Web Component here. You can also just search LWC and it will be the top one. Going to click that and going to call this basic LWC. Enter, okay, and going to keep it in that folder structure. You always want to keep it inside of the LWC folder over there. Okay, and then I have some code here that I'm just going to paste. It's just a simple Lightning card where we have our Lightning title as hello, and we have a Lightning button that doesn't have any action yet. So this is just a simple one just to see how it looks. And then we have our body over here and we have a footer. So this can later be replaced and we can add action to the buttons and all of that. This is just a basic quick video and we can dive into it a bit deeper at a later point. Okay, so now that I have everything here that I want, I can click on the basic LWC, so the component itself. Can right click and then we can do the deploy source to org. All right, so that will be sending this new code that we've written to our Salesforce org. And one thing that I've actually just forgot that I realize now is we have to open this and we have to go to our meta file. So over here we have to expose this, so we have to make it true. And then we need to specify our targets. Over here we have targets, and then we're just going to have our target, and that's going to be Lightning app page because we want to put this on a Lightning app page. You can also put this on home page, record page, utility bar, and there's a lot of options. But for now, for this example, we want the app page. I'm going to leave that as is. Save it. Every time we save, we have to push to the org. So deploy to org. Okay, pushing that. Now we can actually just go back here and I'm going to add this component. So because I'm already on this app page, I'm going to click edit page. And then we should be seeing our base, and then over here, there we have it. If I drag it in here, and here we can see our LWC is showing. All right, let's save that. We can head back. And there we have our basic LWC component. So there's a lot more to do with this. And if you guys have any requests, comment on the video and we can make videos about your request. And yeah, I'm looking forward to doing this new series with you guys where I'm going to dive a bit deep into LWC, starting from something like this with the basic and going up in more advanced stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and then I will see you soon.